Hi friends, this video shows how to make grilled chicken in LG convection microwave oven. So first we have to prepare the chicken. So we have to prepare like this. Then let me open the microwave oven. Then we can put a chicken like this. Then let me close the microwave oven. Let me close it. Okay. Then after that,
Press grill combi button 3 times. 1, 2, 3. Then press micro button. Then we can select power level. We have 3 options: 180, 270, 360. So let me select 270. Then we can rotate this knob and select the time. So let me select 20 minutes. Okay, then press this start button.